Hi guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a 2005 BOBCAT S220. So what is an S220? An S220 is a 2,200 pound of lift machine. S stands for skid steer, obviously. 2,200 pound lift, 75 horsepower Kubota diesel engine. This machine, I have bought several pieces of equipment for the particular company this come out of. Their equipment always has hours on it. It's always scratched and skin up. But their maintenance is very good, and it shows that in this machine. The machine's very tight. If I took and covered up the hour meter with a piece of masking tape, had you run this machine and say to me, okay, all joking aside, how many hours do you think's on this machine? The average guy would say between 3,000 and 4,000 hours. It has that feel. It's tight. The boom's tight. Quick attach is tight. Steering and hydraulics are extremely responsive, the way they should be. This machine shows 7,226 hours. And a lot of guys, we'll see all the keyboard warriors making all their comments and whatever, but we do this every day for a living. We know what these machines are. I've had some with 16,000 hours on them. This is still a good running, working machine. It's a 2,200 pound lift machine. It's 75 horsepower. It is a radius lift boom. Brand new wheels and tires. Good 72-inch bucket. The wear plate in the bottom of the bucket has a little wear in it. But it's an affordable skid loader that anybody could afford in the price range of stuff the way it is right now. This machine, when it's out there, it's going to be sold very fast. You don't buy much of a skid steer in this size of machine. It's going to be priced for $14,900. There are a lot of people out there that always say we don't put our prices in our videos. I don't. But in this machine, that's what it's going to be. That's going to be the price, and it'll sell quickly. I could probably ask more. I'm not going to. We're going to start you around the video of this machine. Back door, still in good shape. Couple dings and dents. They do, on all their machines, they weld a little thing here. It's a hasp, so they can put a padlock in it. We did put two new rear taillight assemblies in. Powered by Kubota V3300T. Again, I've had some of these engines between 14,000 and 16,000 hours that have never been touched. We did do a full service on this machine. All oils and filters have been changed. The machine has a touch of blow-by. It is nothing. I've had machines with 3,000 hours have more than that. We did put a new fuel lift pump on here. We found that it was just getting weak. So we went ahead and fixed that, so we knew that it was taken care of. There's no major oil leaks anywhere on this engine. It is dry, doesn't smoke, carry on, it starts good. Of course there's going to be all kinds of questions. Listen, if we thought there was something wrong, we'd have sent this thing to a sale, and that's why I'm putting it out there. I feel it is a very good, affordable machine. You don't buy much in this price range today. Radiator cover still in good shape. Overflow jug, radiator and hydraulic cooler. Close this back up, and it does latch fine. The sides are actually still pretty good straight. There's one ding up here. You can see here in the main chassis. There's a ding back there. Oh well, it is what it is. This steel line was bent and had a crack. Put a new steel line in from BOBCAT. Again, 4 brand new wheels and tires. We went completely through the quick pack, pins, bushings, whatever it needed. We did it, so it was taken care of. Auxiliary hydraulics with case drain. Steps are still in good shape. Bucket has a decent edge in it. It's not new, but it's still in decent shape. It's still a decent bucket. Take you up inside the cab. The cab itself is still good and straight. It has one ding there, and one grab handle has a dent. And in this price range of machine right now, you don't buy much. You don't buy anything anymore in this price range of machine. 72.26 on the hour. We started here. You have no warnings. We'll hold for codes. No codes. Fuel and temperature gauge all work. This is an opener off, very basic machine, but if you're looking for a big frame skid loader, the boom is not welded or busted up. It's not welded or busted up back here in the back pivots of the arms. There's a lot of running left in this machine, and it's affordable skid loader. So I'm going to fire up, run it around, see if everything works. S220. The thing handles honestly like a dream. Yes, it shows 7,226 hours. No, I don't care. I don't mean that to be rude, arrogant, anything. It's about what the machine is. Mechanically, it is an excellent machine. If you can look past scratches and scrapes and all that, and I'm sure we'll have a slew of questions. What are you thinking? There's thousands of hours left in that machine if you maintain it. That's in any machine today. And I do feel this machine had good maintenance. And it shows that because of how tight it is. You know, again, engine runs excellent. There is a small, and I say small, minimal amount of blow-by. I'm being honest and telling you the truth. Most guys have never mentioned anything about it. Don't get all hung up on that. Again, those Kubota V3300 engines and the 3800 engine are a tremendous engine. We have had them with buku hours on them. Come run it, come look at it, come check it out. The last machine I had come from this same company, an S220. It had 8,200 hours on it. We sold it here locally. The man has put 1,500 hours on it until his passing just last fall. His son now has the machine and uses it still to this day. Good old machines. These were built back whenever machines lasted. I'm not going to sit here and say that the new stuff isn't, but I don't know, the jury's out. So, any questions, 814-658-3066. Please see all of our pictures on our website. Please come by, take a look at it yourself in person. We have nothing to hide. And again, the price is going to be the price in this machine. You don't buy much of a machine in this price range. Any questions, 814-658-3066. And thank you very much for checking us out. As always, have a great day.